Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to loop a video using CapCut. So let's get into the video. First of all, open your CapCut app, select a new project, select a video, and now add it. What you have to first do now is split your video into pieces. So now go to the edit option, split your videos. Well, now you can click in each of the sections. I'm clicking on the middle one, and now I would copy it and drag this part into my favorite place wherever I want to. So I'm looping it here, and then I would take this part as well. I'll copy it first and then I will drag it again to the end of this video. So let's see the effect. Our loop will start now. Yes, it started. See, it's done. So you can simply export it. Hope this helps. So guys, if you do like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for getting new exciting videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.